See where it
Hey, I can see it.
branches out, and there looks like a dark spot there.
Yes, 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 I can see it from here.
Yeah,
I'm
it's sitting
recording it. It's a hawk
Uh-huh.
destroying a family.
Yeah.
Poor kiddos. Can you imagine? See someone eating your kid? That's what she's doing.
That's what she's doing.
Oh God. They can't do nothing, just screaming.
That's it. And he must have just got him
Oops.
because I kept
This,
hearing
yes,
this.
yes, and I can see
Yeah,
them
see?
flying, trying to send her
Yeah.
away, but she's still there. She sees good. Jeez.
Yeah.
Yosra. I know. What a bad feeling.
Yeah.
How she saw them from
Oh, they've got good eyes.
then really good eyes.
Yeah, they can see from up in the sky a little mouse down below.
It's better for me if they catch the mouses because I'm really, really afraid. 2 days ago there was one running on the wires.
Oh.
Jeez. I'm really sorry for you, baby girls.
Yeah.
These are two couples, they had a baby,
Yep.
and the hawk came down and eat their baby, and they can't do nothing, just screaming, and they can do nothing.
That's it.
That's it.